Welcome back. Today, we're going to watch a unique video on learning the vocabulary needed to make a delicious homemade pizza. So, do you enjoy homemade pizza? Let's dive in and take a look at the steps to prepare it. Firstly, let's see some vocabulary and verbs that we're going to use. Tablespoon, sausage, olives, mushrooms, onions, rolling pin, baking sheet or baking pan, cup. And now let's see some verbs. Mix, knead, grease, rise, stretch, spread, bake, and melt. To make homemade mouth-watering pizza, you will need the following ingredients: pizza dough, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and any additional toppings of your choice. You can use store-bought pizza dough or make your own. If you are making your own dough, you will need all-purpose flour, active dry yeast, salt, olive oil, and warm water. If you are making your own pizza dough, mix together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 package of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 cup of warm water in a bowl. Knead the dough until it is soft and elastic, about 5 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour. Once the dough is ready, place it on a lightly floured work surface. Using a rolling pin or your hands, stretch the dough out to form a 30-centimeter round. Place the pizza dough on a greased baking sheet or pizza pan. Pinch up the edges to form a crust. Spread the pizza sauce over the crust, leaving a 1.5 centimeter around the edge. Sprinkle the mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Then add your favorite toppings. Popular options include pepperoni, sausage, olives, mushrooms, and onions. Place the baking sheet in the oven preheated to 190 Celsius and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the crust is golden brown. Let the pizza cool slightly before serving. Slice into wedges and enjoy. Thank you all for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time.